Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Prince Rupert local and long-distance movers near me. You can get the right cheap Prince Rupert moving company by hiring 3Movers. There are plenty of options out there, but we offer affordable local and long-distance moving services from dependable movers. Our team of professional movers knows just how to get you to the next location without all the hassle. If you're ready to handle your long-distance move, we are ready to help with options such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We make sure you have the right team for your relocation. No matter how far you need to move, we can make it happen for you. Our team of long-distance movers take the stress out of relocating for you. If you're ready to move locally, hiring a Canada moving company makes a lot of sense. It beats trying to do all the hard work yourself. Even though a local move might only take you a few miles away, you still have to pack up everything and load it into a truck. With 3Movers helping you, the process becomes much easier. You won't have to worry about all the hard work or heavy lifting. We take care of it all so you can settle in sooner and with more energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prince Rupert moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.